Unreal Engine 5 is the latest version of Epic Games' popular game engine, which was officially released in 2022. This powerful game development tool has been used to create many of the most popular and visually stunning games available today. With the release of Unreal Engine 5, developers now have access to a plethora of new features and improvements that make creating realistic, immersive, and high-quality games easier than ever before. One of the most groundbreaking features of Unreal Engine 5 is nanite virtualized geometry. This technology allows developers to create incredibly detailed and complex geometry in their games without sacrificing performance. In essence, nanite allows artists to import high-polygon models directly into the game engine, which will then automatically optimize these models for real-time rendering. This means that developers can now create environments and characters with an unprecedented level of detail, making games more realistic and visually stunning than ever before. Another exciting feature of Unreal Engine 5 is Lumen, a fully dynamic global illumination system. Lumen enables developers to create realistic lighting in their games by simulating how light bounces and scatters in real life. This means that objects in the game world will cast accurate and believable shadows, leading to more immersive and visually appealing gaming experiences. With Lumen, developers no longer need to rely on baked lighting or other static lighting techniques, allowing them to create dynamic and responsive lighting that adapts to changes in the game environment. Unreal Engine 5 introduces a new feature called World Partition, which revolutionizes the way developers create and manage large open-world games. World Partition automatically divides the game world into a grid of cells, and then intelligently streams in and out the necessary data for each cell based on the player's location. This means that developers can now create vast, seamless game worlds without having to worry about loading times or performance issues. As a result, players can enjoy more expansive and immersive gaming experiences without being interrupted by loading screens or other technical limitations.